A warm greeting. Today is Wednesday, July 12, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. In this video, we will be discussing the newly formed tropical storm Calvin, which is expected to strengthen into Hurricane Calvin over the next few days as it moves towards the west-northwest. In the long term, it could be of interest to the Hawaiian Islands. Tropical storm Calvin is associated with what was Invest 94, which, as predicted, found favorable conditions to strengthen into a tropical depression. Over the past 24 hours, it has continued to strengthen. Currently, it has maximum sustained winds of 65 miles per hour or 105 kilometers per hour. This cyclone is on a path that takes it far away from the region of Mexico and Central America. Residents and visitors of Hawaii should remain vigilant over the next few days. Let's take a closer look at the visible satellite image, where we can see a well-developed cyclone. It appears to be strengthening, and it is very likely that it will reach hurricane status tonight. Furthermore, in the visible satellite image, we can observe that it is developing an eye. These are indications that it is close to becoming a hurricane. According to the forecasted track of the best models, you can see that there is a consensus that it should maintain a westward trajectory with a west-northwest component, moving towards the Hawaiian Islands, where it could arrive as a tropical cyclone by the middle of next week. There are still many days to monitor, so there is no need to worry in Hawaii. Just stay attentive to the evolution of this forecast. Additionally, the intensity forecast suggests that within the next 24 hours, it will likely continue a rapid strengthening process, potentially reaching Category 1 or Category 2 hurricane status. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting that it will reach Category 2 with maximum sustained winds of 100 miles per hour. It cannot be ruled out that it could strengthen more than anticipated and even reach major hurricane status. Starting from Thursday, you can see that a continuous and gradual weakening is forecasted for the rest of the week. By the beginning or middle of next week, the majority of the models have it as a weak tropical storm or a moderate tropical storm as it approaches the Hawaiian Islands. These are definitely good news because it seems that the danger for Hawaii will not be significant. This weakening, which is expected to begin on Thursday, is particularly due to the fact that the future Hurricane Calvin will be moving over ocean surface temperatures that remain quite cool in its trajectory. It will also encounter a much more stable and drier air mass dominating this region in the Pacific. In this animation, you can see that over the next 24 to 48 hours, it will continue to move over ocean temperatures ranging from 28 to 27 degrees Celsius. Starting from Friday, ocean temperatures will decrease along its path. This is what should protect the island of Hawaii and cause this cyclone to weaken as it approaches the islands. This is the forecast from the National Hurricane Center, indicating a significant strengthening over the next 48 to 72 hours, reaching Category 2 with winds of 100 miles per hour or 160 kilometers per hour. Then, starting from Friday, the system begins to weaken, eventually becoming a tropical storm again on Sunday. If we look at the ensemble forecast from the GFS model, you can see that some of them show this cyclone as a weak tropical storm passing just north of or over the Hawaiian Islands by Wednesday or Thursday of next week. We also have the ensemble forecast from the European model, where the majority of them show this system surviving these colder water temperatures and also passing as a weak or moderate tropical storm between Wednesday and Thursday, just south of or over the Hawaiian Islands. The best global models, such as the GFS model, currently suggest the potential for a tropical depression or low-pressure system crossing over the Hawaiian Islands on Wednesday morning. We also have the European model, which suggests it could cross over Hawaii as a weak tropical storm on Tuesday night or Wednesday morning. For now, the outlook looks very favorable for Hawaii. Again, this is due to the cooler than usual temperatures in this Pacific region. Remember, this is a long-term forecast, so we will remain attentive to any changes. However, let's anticipate a bit and discuss the potential effects it could have on the Hawaiian Islands. For example, if it maintains a trajectory over the islands, as shown by the European model, this cyclone could bring windy conditions early Wednesday morning with gusts of wind between 50 to 55 miles per hour. On the other hand, if it weakens a bit faster, as indicated by the GFS model forecast, the winds will be much weaker. Currently, winds between 30 to 35 miles per hour are forecasted, which possibly will not cause any significant effects for Hawaii. For now, the outlook looks favorable for Hawaii, but it could arrive as a weak tropical storm or tropical depression. I encourage you to stay tuned for the evolution of the future Hurricane Calvin. Well, that's all regarding the forecast for the future Hurricane Calvin. Followers in the Hawaii region, stay tuned to Hurricane Info for more information over the next few days. See you later.